Hello everybody, a very good morning to one and all. My name is Ankit Sharma and I welcome all of you at your favorite online education platform, the one and only Examper. So I welcome all of you at Examper. Please quickly like the session, please quickly share the session, ask more and more students to join because you all are very much aware that this is going to be a very important session. On 7th of August, the IBPS Regional Rural Bank Office Assistant Examination is being held. On the 7th of August, coming 7th of August, the IBPS Regional Rural Bank Office Assistant Examination will be there. Alright? Yes, Office Assistant, better known as IBPS RRB Clerk. Okay? So, after that, IBPS RRB Officer Scale 1, better known as IBPS RRB PO, will be also organized after that. And soon after that, the IBPS Clerical for the PSBs, public sector banks. So these are the three examinations which are right on the top at our priority. And therefore, we are ready to start with the discussion. Are you all ready? We are going to discuss good number of questions today. Yes, and it will be as per the latest pattern which is being asked in the examination. It will be as per the latest trend in the examination. Alright, now have a look at this. What we are going to do today. Today we are going to discuss the IBPS Regional Rural Bank Officer Scale 1 2020 Prelim Paper. IBPS Regional Rural Bank Officer Scale 1 2020 Prelim Paper. It would be going to be a memory based paper and I hope all of you are going to really enjoy the same. So are you all ready? Come on guys, are you all ready? Fine, pure in English. Here we go. First of all, the thought of the day. So the thought of the day is very simple. Have a look at this. When you focus on the good gets better. My dear students, there are many things around us. Some are good, some are bad. Some are positive, some are negative. Some are constructive, some are destructive. But on which we focus more, on which we give further attention, on which we emphasize, makes the things much better, make the things much clear. So if we focus on the good gets better. If we focus on the positive things, positivity further increases. If we focus on the constructive ideas, it further flourishes and obviously it grows. Alright everybody, and with these words, let us move and start with the session. The first thing, quickly everyone, the very first question. Hurry up. Quickly everybody. Hurry up. I will be giving you just 2 minutes for this. So 1 minute is already running and after this just 1 more minute. Hurry up. Only 1 more minute after this. Only 1 more minute. Hurry up everyone. Come on guys, hurry up. Okay, now see, 2 minutes is over. The 2 minute, the proposed time for this question was 2 minutes. It is over now. So there are 10 people Q to Z in a line facing towards north. V is sitting fourth from the right end. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. V is sitting fourth from the right end. Also there is one person sitting between V and X. Now 1, 2, 3 and 4 from the right end, and also one person sitting between V and X can be in two ways. X can be to the left or to the right of V. Now my dear students, S is sitting fourth from the left of V. S is sitting fourth from the left of V. So V 1, 2, 3 and 4, S is over here. V 1, 2, 3 and 4, S is over here. So S is sitting fourth from the left of V. Now it is also telling U and S are not sitting next to each other. Fine. So U and S are not sitting next to each other. Next my dear students, there are as many people sitting to the left of S as on the right of Q. To the left of S 1 and 2, so to the right of Q 1 and 2. So to the right of Q 1 and 2. As many people to the left of S2 as to the right of Q2. Now R who does not sit next to X. R who does not sit next to X. Okay. R who does not sit next to X is sitting second to the left of Q. Is sitting second to the right of Q. Okay, now see, very important my dear students, very very important. R who does not sit next to X, next to means neighbor. R who does not sit next to X is sitting on the second right of Q, on the second right of Q. But here there is a problem that R and X are becoming neighbors, which is not allowed. The top one is going on in the right direction. There are three people sitting between R and T. So 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3, 3 people sitting between R and T. Now, my dear students, W is sitting on the immediate left of Y. W is sitting on the immediate left of Y. So, immediate left of Y is W. So, this is the diagram. This is the diagram. Alright. And now we were aware that U and S are not the neighbors. So, obviously, U will be over here. Now, who is left out? Q to Z. So, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Z is left out. Z is missing. And this is the final structure. This is the final diagram. Getting it, everybody? Yes or no? So, WYSZX. WYSZX. Okay. WYSZX. TVQUR. TVQUR. Okay, everyone? So, now moving ahead, let us solve the sub questions. Who among the following sits to the immediate right of X? So as you can see, immediate right of X is T, and therefore the right answer, the valid answer is option number D, that is T. How many people sit between S and V? So the number of people who sit between S and V are 1, 2 and 3. So the correct answer is option number E, that is 3. Which of the following statement is obligor correct based on the given information? X sits third to the right of Q. No, X sits third to the left of Q. U is the only neighbor of R in the row. Correct, use the only neighbor of R in the row because R is at the end. S and V are adjacent to each other? No. 3 people are sitting between Y and T? Yes, 3 people are sitting between Y and T. So now more than one of the above. Do not mark answer as B. Do not mark answer as D. Answer is more than one of the above. Alright. Next. In which position is Z seated with respect to V? Z seated with respect to V. With respect to V, Z is 1, 2 and third to the left. Third to the left. And therefore the correct answer is option number B. Okay, therefore the correct answer is option number B. Okay. Next, who among the following sits second to the right of Q? So the one who sits second to the right of Q is R, and that is the right answer, option number C, that is R. Alright everyone, clear? Moving ahead. Next one, solve this one. Solve this one. Hurry up. If in the word produce, all the vowels are changed to the next letter. So all the vowels, just say, for example, O is the vowel, next letter P. U is a vowel, next letter V. E is a vowel, next letter F. Okay. So all the vowels are changed to the next letter. And all the consonants are changed to the previous letter. So C minus 1 is B, D minus 1 is C, R minus 1 is Q, P minus 1 is O. Okay. So which of the following letter is fourth from the right hand? Fourth from the right hand is C, and therefore the right answer is option number D, that is C. This is the conventional way of solving the question. What is the quick way of solving the question? Quick way of solving the question is as following. If in the word produce, all the vowels are changed to the next letter and all the consonants are changed to the previous letter, which of the letter is fourth from the right? Fourth from the right is D. And now since it is a consonant, minus 1, previous letter would be C, and still the answer will remain the same C. So this is a quick way. You need not do the same procedure for all the letters because it is not asked. It is not asked. So just see, fourth letter from the right is D, which is a consonant, so minus 1. If it was a vowel, we will do plus 1. Alright, minus 1 means one step backward, plus 1 means one step forward. Next question. Quickly everyone. Hurry up. The forward backward kind of question. Quickly. Okay, the forward backward kind of question. Now see, my dear students, how many such pair of letters? How many such pair of letters are over here? How many such pair of letters are over here which have same number of letters? See, from 19 in forward direction. From 19 in forward direction, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. No. From 19 in backward direction, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14. Yes. S and N, backward direction. From E, forward direction, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No. From 5 backward, 4, 3, 2, 1. No. From 7 in forward direction, 8, 9, 10, 11. No. From 6 in backward direction, 6, 5. Yes. Yes, G and E. 6, 5, 4, 3, no. From 13 in forward, 14, 15, 16, no. Backward, 12, 11, 10, no. From 5 in forward, 6, 7, no. Backward, 4, 3, no. From 14 in forward, 15 backward, 13, no. So there are two such pairs. There are two such pairs. Answer is option number B, two such pairs. Alright everybody. Next. Quickly solve the diagram. We have to be really quick. Really quick we have to be. Quickly guys. Hurry up. Point E is 5 meters to the north of point A. Suppose this is point A. Point E is 5 meters to the north. Okay. Absolutely sorry. It is telling you north, not east. Suppose this is point E is 5 meters north of point A. This is point A. This is point A. And this is point E. Point E is 5 meters. Point E is 5 meters to the north of point A. Point K is 8 meters to the west of E. Point K is 8 meters to the west of E. Point B is 3 meters to the north of P. Okay, leave this because we are not having any interconnecting point. Okay. Now see, very important. Point O is 10 meters to the south of K. Point O is 10 meters to the south of K. So this is 5, even this is 5. Point O is 10 meters to the south of K. Now, point P, which is 8 meters to the east of O. Point P, which is 8 meters to the east of O. Point B is 3 meter north of P. Point B is 3 meter north of P. Point B is 3 meter north of P. Next, my dear students, here point X, which is 10 meter to the east of B. Point X, which is 10 meter to the east of B. And point C is 8 meter to the north of X. Okay, so this is 2 plus 5, 7 plus 1, 8. So point C is 8 meter to the north of X. Okay, everyone? Fine. Getting it, everybody? Now, hurry up. Now see, my dear students. Now see, my dear students. Point, now let me read the entire question. Let me read the complete question, what it is telling you. Point E is 5 meter to the north of A. Fine. Point E is 5 meter to the north of A. Point K is 8 meter to the west of E. Point K is 8 meter to the west of E. Fine. Point B is 3 meter north of P. P, which is 8 meter to the east of O. Point C is 8 meter north of X. Point C is 8 meter north of X. 2 plus 5, 7 plus 1, 8. Okay. X, which is 10 meter to the east of B. X, which is 10 meter to the east of B. And point O is 10 meter to the south of K. Point O is 10 meter to the south of K. This is absolutely the correct diagram. Absolutely the correct diagram. Once we have drawn this, let us start with the sub questions. In which direction is point P with respect to X? In which direction is point P with respect to X? With respect to X, P is southwest. With respect to X, P is southwest. You can see with respect to X, P is southwest. The same diagram. It is the same one. Next. What is the approximate distance between B and C? The approximate distance between B and C, my dear students. Okay. The approximate distance between B and C, if you want to calculate. So the approximate distance between B and C, as per the Pythagoras principle, is 10 square plus 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1, 8 square. So it's 100 plus 64. It's root 164. So it is close to 13. Root 169 is 13. Root 169 is 13. Okay. So therefore the right answer is option number C. Next. What is the distance between points A and B? Distance between the points A and B. Now see, this distance was 2. This distance was 2. And therefore the right answer is option number B, that is 2. Refer to the original diagram which I had drawn. Okay. Next. Quickly everyone. I'm giving you 3 minutes. Quickly. Please guys, come on. Keep on sharing the session. Keep on liking the session. Hurry up. Last minute. Quickly everyone. Quickly everyone. Okay, now listen to me. Now listen to me, my dear students, how to approach this. So now it is telling you the 6 boxes A to F of different colors are kept one above the other. not necessarily in the same order. The lowermost position is 1, the position immediately above it is 2, and the topmost position is 6. So from here till here is the basic structure of the question, which you can see right in front of me, right over here. Now the gray box is kept at the bottommost position. My dear students, the gray box is kept at the bottommost position. Okay, the gray box is kept at the bottommost position and immediately below the box E, and immediately below the box E. All right, everybody. So I am taking two diagrams initially. The gray box is kept at the bottom position and immediately below the box E. Box E is neither white nor blue in color. Box E is neither white nor blue in color. So this is neither white nor blue in color. Next, A, the black box is kept at the topmost position. A, the black box. A, the black box is kept at the topmost position. All right, everyone. Fine. Next, D is red in color and is kept at an even number position. D is red in color. Now, if D is red in color and is kept at an even number position, it is only possible over here. D is red in color and kept at an even number position, it is only possible over here. Both the diagrams are going parallelly. Now, C is neither blue nor green and kept below D. Okay. Now, see, my dear students, very, very important. C is neither blue nor green. C is neither blue nor green. C is neither blue nor green and kept below D. Kept below D means it is not necessarily that just below. It is not necessarily that just below. Okay, next. Box B is not adjacent to D. If box B is not adjacent to D, B is over here. And now below D, C will be over here. Now A, B, C, D, E, F, F will be over here. Alright, everybody. The box on the fifth position is not green in color. The box on the fifth position is not green in color. Now just apply your mind. Apply your mind. C is not blue or green. C is not blue or green. Green cannot be here. So green will be over here. Okay, everybody. Next, my dear students, C is not blue. C is not blue. If blue is not here, obviously now blue will be over here. And now where would be white? Where would be white? Okay, where would be white? White will be over here. Alright, everybody. White will be over here. Alright, everyone. Getting it, everyone? Yes or no? Yes or no, my dear students? Yes or no? Quickly tell me. Quickly tell me, guys. Okay? Fine. So are you all getting the same or not? Are you all getting the same diagram or not? Quickly, everyone tell me. Yes or no? See, A black, F blue, D red. A black, F blue, D red. C white, E green, B gray. C white, E green, B gray. Okay, fine. Now which box is white in color? So the box which is white in color is the box number C. Is the box number C. Option number C is the right answer. Alright. Now which of the following combination is incorrect? A black. A black. No, it's fine. It's correct. It's fine. It's correct. F blue. Correct. B green. B green is incorrect because B should be gray. D red is correct. So answer is option C. Option C is incorrect. Option number C is incorrect. Okay, next. The red box is kept at the which position? Fourth position. The red box is kept at the fourth position. Fine, everybody. The red box is kept at the fourth position. Next. How many boxes are kept between C and blue box? How many boxes are kept between C and blue box? Only one. Only one. So therefore the right answer is option number D, only one. Alright. Which of the following is kept at the fourth position? The box which is kept at the fourth position is D red. It is D red. Answer is option number E. Alright, everyone. Getting it? Moving ahead. Now see, these kind of questions are very popular in your examination. Okay. These kind of questions are very popular in your examination. So now please solve this. How is beauty coded in the given language? How is beauty coded in the given language? Quickly, everyone. Beauty. Beauty is over here. Beauty is over here. Down, wings, inner. Down. Okay. Only beauty is common. So XY not common. DF. SS is common. EA is also common. Now see my dear students, down is common here, down is common here, down is common here. So for down it is EA, EA, EA. Down it is EA. But for beauty now, only and only SS can be common. Only and only SS can be common. So the right answer is option number A, SS. Next. Which of the following is coded for wings? Which of the following is coded for wings? Okay. So wings word is over here. Down is at other places also. My dear students, inner is also nowhere else. Inner is also nowhere else. Beauty is also is at more than one place. But wings and inner is nowhere else. Wings and inner is nowhere else. So its code will be nowhere else. XY is nowhere else. DF is nowhere else. SS is at more than one place. EA is at more than one place. So now it will be XY or DF. XY or DF. See, we will not be able to confirm. If wings code is XY, then inner's code will be DF or vice versa. Answer is option number D. Alright. Next. How will you code square wall? How will you code square wall? Quickly everyone. Square wall is over here. Find out the code for on. On. Okay. So square wall. Quickly. See, if we talk about the word disturb. Disturb is here. Disturb is here. Disturb is here. What is common in this, this and this? DL, DL, DL? No. TA, TA, TA? Yes. So disturb is coded as TA. Disturb is coded as TA. Okay. So disturb is coded as TA. So wherever TA is there, it will be gone. Fine. Now, my dear students, if we talk of the word down, if we talk of the word down, okay, down is here, down is here, down is here. And for that the code was EA, I guess. EA, EA, EA and EA. For down the code is EA. So that is why now we can easily find out square and wall. Square and wall, yes or no? Quickly everybody. On we have found, disturb we have found. So obviously the answer to the question will be what? Quickly. Option number E cannot be determined. Option number E cannot be determined. Alright. The reason is pretty simple. See, reason is very simple. Why? Because there is a point over here. We have to find the code of square wall. We have to find the code of square wall. So if we focus on the word square wall, now see what is the problem. We have to find the code of square wall. So first of all, square wall is over here. Fine. So now if I talk of the word disturb, so disturb is here, disturb is here, disturb is here. So the things common in these two are, I think, TA, and TA. So disturb's code is TA. And since disturb is not here, its code TA will also not be here. Fine. Next thing, if you talk of the word, for example, square and on. Now this is the problem. This is the problem. What is the code for on? What is the code for on? Square, disturb, square, disturb. See, in these two, what is common? My dear students, have a look at this. Wall is there and wall is here. Okay. So what is the code for wall? What is the code for wall? Wall is over here. Wall is over here. So now what is common? DL, AP, UV. DL, AP, UV. Quickly. UV. So wall's code is UV. UV is over here also. UV is over here also. Fine. Now the final thing. If we talk of the word square. Now square and on there is a doubt. These are only over here. Square and on there is a doubt. They are only over here. So their code is also what? What is common in them? DL, AP. It can be DL. It can be AP. It can be DL. It can be AP. Okay everyone. So it can be DL. It can be AP. So there is a doubt between them. Therefore the answer is cannot be determined. Fine everyone. Clear? Next. Hurry up everybody. Quickly everyone. Which of the following is the code for disturb? I have already just now discussed. Disturb. What is the code? It's TA. Alright. It's TA. And that's the right one. Fine. Answer is option number E, TA. It's not a part of the options now. So option number E, TA. Code EA represents the word which? See, code EA. EA, EA, EA. And what is common on them? I think down, down, down. Okay, down, down and down. We have already discussed this. So therefore the right one is down. Option number A, that is down. Alright. Next one, solve this. 3 minutes. Quickly everyone, solve this 3 minutes. Next 1 minute. Quickly everyone, be really quick. Maximum 1 more minute after this. Okay, now have a look at this. 8 friends are sitting around a square table in such a way that 4 of them sit at the 4 corners of the square table while 4 sit in middle of the sides. The ones who sit at the 4 corners face the center while those who sit in middle of the sides face outside. Now here what it is telling you, S is an immediate neighbor of both E and V. So S is a immediate neighbor of both E and V. Now E and V are interchangeable. E can come here, V can come here. S sits in middle of one of the sides of the table. S sits in the middle of one of the sides of the table. Okay. Now if S is over here, then it can be like this, E is over here, V is over here. Or it can be like this, that E is over here, V is over here. These are the two things which are possible. S is an immediate neighbor of both E and V. S sits in middle of one of the sides of the table. Only one person sits between E and H. Only one person sits between E and H. Only one person sits between E and H. T sits second to the right of you. T sits second to the right of you. U is not an immediate neighbor of E or V. Now see, very important, U is not an immediate neighbor of E or V. U is not a neighbor of E or V. So U is somewhere over here. U is not a neighbor of E or V. So U is somewhere over here. So now U's second right is T. If you keep U over here, its second right T is not possible. So U over here and its second right is T. Fine. Next. U's second right is T. If you keep U over here, its second right T is not possible. So U over here, second right T. Now even this is fine. Even this is now fine. So these things have been taken care of. Now U is not an immediate neighbor of E or V. This already we took care. Now F is not an immediate neighbor of G. F is not a neighbor of G. Okay. Now here F and G will become neighbors. Here F and G will become neighbor. Okay. So therefore it is gone. F is not an immediate neighbor of G. This is going in the right direction. Okay. G faces the direction opposite to that of U. Now if G faces outside, G will be over here. See, G faces the direction opposite to that of U. If U faces the center, G faces the outside and vice versa. So that means F would be over here, and this is the final structure, the final diagram. Getting everybody? Yes or no? Yes or no? HUGTVSEF. HUGTVSEF. All right. HUGTVSEF. Getting it? Next. How many people sit between F and G when counted from the left side of F? So when counted from the left side of F, how many people sit between F and G? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So that is the right answer. Option B 4. Now, which of the following is true regarding F? So now only 3 people sit between F and H. No. F sits in middle of one of the side. Yes. F sits second to the right of you. No. Both S and G are immediate neighbors of F. Both S and G are immediate neighbors of F. No. So right answer is option number B. Right answer is option number B. Next. Who sits on the immediate right of T? The one who sits on the immediate T is facing outside, na? So immediate right of T is V, and that's the right answer. Option number D, that is V. Alright. Next. 4 of the following, see basically odd one out. You can see U is sitting at the middle of the side. F is sitting at the middle of the side. G is sitting at the corner. T is sitting at the middle of the side. S is sitting at the middle of the side. So therefore G, option number C, that is G, okay, is at the corner. Next. What is the position of H with respect to T? Position of H with respect to T. With respect to T, H is third to the left. It is third to the left. Answer is option number D. Fine. Next. Okay, very easy. Inequalities. Inequalities. Quickly. 30 seconds is more than sufficient. 30 seconds is more than sufficient. Okay. Quickly. Hurry up. So this is the diagram after combining them. This is the diagram which would be formed after combining them. Okay. Now D is greater than R. D is greater than R. Opposite symbol between D and R. Can't say. O and B. O and B. This will ensure O is greater than B. And therefore, it is the right answer. Option number B. Only conclusion 2 is true. Only conclusion 2 is true. Alright, next. Fine. Hurry up. Find the interconnecting line. See, this is already drawn, and find the interconnecting line. It is D. It is D. So C is greater than equal to N is equal to D, D is greater than equal to I. And now between K and I, K is greater than or equal to I. K is greater than or equal to I. So only K greater than I is a case of can't say, because K can be equal to Y as well. Between C and X, opposite symbols will be coming. Greater than equal to less than equals to, opposite symbols, can't say. And therefore the right answer to the question would be option number D. Neither one nor two follows. Next, solve this. Hurry up. Interconnecting line B. Interconnecting line B. M is greater than N. N is equals to B. B is less than equal to X. Between P and N, my dear students, there are opposite symbol. If you go from here to here, opposite symbol, can't say. Between M and Q, it is fine. M is greater than N is equal to B, B is greater than A, is greater than Q. This is indeed correct, and therefore the right answer is option number B. Only second follows. Next, hurry up on the similar grounds. Quickly, everyone. Quickly, everyone. Have a look at this. This is in one single line. No need to combine them. G is greater than A. Here is G, here is A. There are a lot of opposite symbols. Opposite symbols means opposite side facing symbols. Can't say. Between L and Z. Between L and Z also there are a lot of opposite side facing symbols. Can't say. And therefore the correct answer is option number D. Alright, everybody. Fine. Next. Hurry up. Hurry up. Quickly, again there is no interconnecting point required because they are in single line. So this will ensure A is greater than equal to D. This and this will ensure A is greater than equal to D. So A is greater than or equal to D. Here either or will be formed. Here either or will be formed. Answer is option number C. Alright. Next. Okay. Now some of the simple questions of, as you know, syllogism. Solve now. Quickly, see, only a few pink is white. Only a few pink is white. Only a few pink is white can be drawn in multiple ways like this. And only white is black means all black is white. Only white is black means all black is white. All black is white can be drawn in this way or in this way. Now see, here I will like to pause for a while and discuss something. My dear students, only A is B. Only A is B. Okay. Only A is B. A alone is B. None but A is B. None but A is B. It is all equal to all B is A. All B is A. And now see, now here I will like to add one more thing. Here I will like to add one more thing. And what thing I will like to add over here? See, only A is B means nothing other than A can be B. That's true. Only A is B means nothing other than A can be B. That's true. But the moment anything overlaps with A, the moment anything intersects with A, then that much portion bears the same quality as A. In other words, it becomes A. And now since it becomes A, it can be B as well. It can be B as well. See, my dear students, reasoning unlike maths is a theory. Reasoning unlike maths is a theory, particularly in syllogism. So wherever there is a theory, there is difference of interpretation. Okay, Indian Constitution is the best example, the longest written constitution in the world. But still everything is written, what are rights, what are duties, what are directive principles of state policies, fundamental rights, etc. Everything is written. But in spite of that, why so many cases are pending before the courts? Because of difference in interpretation. Okay. So in syllogism, 2 or 3 gray areas are there. One gray area is restatement, where the same statements as it is copy paste comes in the form of conclusion. One school of thought considers restatement as valid, another school of thought considers it as invalid. The second, and that is why restatement doesn't comes in the examination. Restatement, the same statement in the conclusion does not comes in the examination. The same happens over here. Only A is B. Only A is B. One school of thought considers that since only A is B, nothing in any case in whatsoever manner other than A can become B. This is one interpretation. Some teachers or some online education platforms follow this. On the other side, one more logic is there, a different logic altogether. Only A is B means nothing other than A can be B. That's true. But the moment anything overlaps with A, then it bears the same quality as A. In other words, it becomes A. And since it becomes A, it can become B as well. Example, only a person of Maharashtra can be in Pune. True. But now if I say Indian can be in Pune. Isn't it true? Because Maharashtra's superset is India. Similarly, only Maharashtrians are happy. So, if I say only Indians are happy, isn't it true? Because Maharashtra's superset is India. So, that is why I am telling that. So, therefore, my dear students, when I say only A is B, we do not know what is A. We do not know what is A. Is not defined. It can be that C is already the superset of A, or it is the subset of anything. We don't know. So, therefore, we will keep such things as can't say case. For instance, my dear students, so I hope I am very clear. See, suppose the statement is only A is B and some A is C. Okay. So now, one school of thought says only A is B means all B is A, and now some A is C you can draw like this, but in no case whatsoever C and B can intersect. This is one school of thought. The other school of thought says only A is B means all B is A. Okay, all B is A. And now some A is C can be in this way, okay, in this way, even in this way. Why? Because the moment anything overlaps with A, then that much portion bears the same quality as A. In other words, it becomes A. And since it becomes A, it can become B as well. So this is another school of thought. And again, due to this difference in interpretation, I have seen in last 2 years, in no paper, okay, means from 2021, 2022, okay, till now. Okay, you can say it 1.5 year. Okay, but basically it was from 20 and 20 second half. So 2020 second half, entire 2021 until 2022 first half. In no question, in any exam, only is there. Only a few is fine. Only case was not there. In entire 2020 year second half, 2021 complete, 2022 till January to till today, no question in syllogism were seen from only A is B case. Due to this difference in interpretation, probably. In the previous organization, okay, we used to attempt the examination. Here also we will attempt. Many of our colleagues attempted, and our prime focus was to see that only A is B, okay, it appears in the examination or not. If it would have appeared, we would have answered only that question. We would have seen whether we are able to get the marks or not. Okay. So that is why this question was never seen, and it's probably due to this difference in interpretation. Okay. I follow this school of thought. Some follow this school of thought. Both are more or less right in their own ways due to different logics which I have obviously discussed. Okay, I follow this school of thought. Now if I follow this school of thought, let us come back to the thing. Now, only a few pink is white, done. Only white is black means all black is white, done. All white being pink. Now, all white being pink is true over here, false over here, overall can't say, and anything which is can't say plus possibility is true. Some pink being black, true over here, false over here, true over here, means it can be true in one case, false in one case, so again can't say, and anything which is can't say plus possibility is true. And therefore, my dear students, the answer is both conclusions 1 and 2 follow. Next, solve this one. Hurry up. Now, some tables are chairs. No chair is a desk. Some tables are chairs. No chair is a desk. Some sofas are desk. Now, some chairs are not sofa. Yes, some chairs are not sofa. Is it true? No, it's can't say, because I can draw sofa in this manner also, isn't it? I hope it is clear. So therefore, some chair are not sofa is can't say. All chairs are sofa, again can't say. All chairs are sofa, again can't say. But, my dear students, now this is the point. Why here either or case will apply? Why here either or case will apply? Both are can't say. Okay? Then, my dear students, elements are same. Elements are same. And now all some not is a complementary pair. All some not is a complementary pair. And therefore, the either or case will exist over here. What are complementary pairs? Be ready for my class on syllogism very soon. I would be discussing the same in detail. Next, solve this. I hope it is clear. Solve this. Quickly, everyone. Quickly, everyone. See, in the wherever blood relation is there, some of the sign conventions are there. Wherever blood relation is there, some of the sign conventions are there. And it is clearly telling you that in a family of 3 generations and 8 members, in a family of 3 generations and 8 members, so the number of members is 8, the number of generation is 3. Okay, so in a family of 3 generation and 8 members, 3 generation and 8 members, K is married to T. K is married to T. T who is the only son of S. T who is the only son of S. Okay, so now that means K will be female. Now, my dear students, K is married to T, T who is the only son of S. Now, M is married to P who is the mother of Q. M is married to P who is the mother of Q. So obviously M will be the father, okay. U who is the sister-in-law of T. U who is the sister-in-law of T is married. U who is the sister-in-law of T is married. Obviously now it will be married to a male person. T has no siblings. T has no siblings. Fine, fine. H is the only son of Q. H is the only son of Q. And S is a male person, okay. Now see, my dear students, H is the only son of Q. Okay. H is the only son of Q. Now just see what is happening over here. Just see what is happening over here. Okay. Here Q will be there. Here H. And here, my dear students, Q's parents are M and P. Q's parents are M and P. Is this the diagram which is there? Let us read it completely and explore whether it is right or wrong. Okay, fine everybody, fine. Now see, in a family of 3 generations, 1, 2 and 3 and 8 members, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. K is married to T. T who is the only son of S. M is married to P. P who is the mother of Q. P who is the mother of Q. U who is the sister-in-law of T is married. Okay. T has no siblings. H is the only son of Q. S is a male person. I think this is the right diagram. Alright everybody. Fine. Now, getting it? Fine. Now in their case, my dear students, square box is used to indicate male persons, circular box is used to indicate female person, and couple is used to indicate equal, the couples are denoted by the equal to sign. How is H related to K? How is H related to K? You can very well see H is the nephew of K. H is the nephew of K, and therefore the right answer is option number B. Next, how many persons are there in the second generation? The number of persons in the second generation are 4. It is 4. So the right answer is option number D, that is more than 3. What is the ratio of number of males to that of females? See, males to that of female. Males are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So rest 3 are females. So ratio is 5:3. Ratio is 5:3. If females is to male will be asked, then 3:5. So see what is the ratio all about. Next question. Okay, 3 minutes. The next question, 3 minutes. Quickly everyone. Next. Quickly everyone. Next. Quickly everyone. I will be giving you 1 more minute after this. So 1 more minute and the final minute. Hurry up. Quickly everyone, come on, hurry up. With full energy guys. change in the diversion in the concentration, and the error will be there. Let us now see. So here are 8 friends, A to H, months April, June, July and August. Okay, 9th and 16th, fine. Now E celebrates his birthday in the month which does not have 30 days. Does not have 30 days means 31 days. Does not have 30 days means 31 days. E can be here, E can be here, okay, E can be here and E can be here. Now let us see, is there further thing said about E? That it is on odd date or even date, because now it is telling you E celebrates his birthday in the month which does not have 30 days and only one person celebrates his birthday between E and G. Only one person celebrates his birthday between E and G. Okay? Okay. Only one person celebrates his birthday between E and G. Okay. Now only one person celebrates his birthday between E and G. Okay. Only one person celebrates his birthday between E and G. Okay. All the cases taken into consideration. Only one person celebrates his birthday between E and G. Now C celebrates his birthday immediately before E. C celebrates his birthday immediately before E. Fine. Next, only one person celebrates his birthday between C and F. Okay. Only one person between C and F. Fine. No issue. No issue at all. Next thing, my dear students. D celebrates his birthday before G but not immediate of C or G. D celebrates his birthday before G. D celebrates his birthday before G. Okay. But not immediate of C and G. But not immediate of C and G. Okay. Fine. That means D is not a neighbor of C or G. Okay. Now, my dear students, only one person celebrates his birthday between D and A. Only one person celebrates his birthday between D and A. A celebrates his birthday before D. A celebrates his birthday before D. So this is fine. This is fine, my dear students. So is it possible that A, 1 blank, D and then G? No, it is not possible over here. It is not possible over here. So this case is gone. Now in this case, A, 1 blank, D, no. So A, 1 blank, D and then G. A, 1 blank, D and then G. Okay. Fine, everybody. Yes or no? A, 1 blank, D. Okay. Now see, my dear students, are you getting it or not? Are you all getting it or not? So yes or no, quickly tell me. Fine. Now my dear students, here also, A1 blank D, A1 blank D, okay. Further things, my dear students. D celebrates his birthday before G but not immediate of C or G. Fine. D celebrates his birthday before G but not immediate of G and C. So now, very important, D celebrates his birthday before G but not immediate of C and G. So this is gone. Fine. Now, D celebrates his birthday before G but not immediate of C or G. Even that is fine. Now, my dear students, let us draw this thing. GCE. GCE. G, G, C and D. Now if I talk about this further, A and then D, it is possible in this way. A and then D, it is possible in this way. Getting it, everyone? Getting it, everyone? Yes or no? Fine. Next thing, my dear students. Only one person celebrates his birthday between D and A. Yes, we have done that. H does not celebrate his birthday immediate of G. H does not celebrate his birthday immediate of G. Fine. Fine, my dear students. Now see, one person between C and F. One person between C and F, it can be here. One person between C and F, it can be here. One person between C and F, it can be here. One person between C and F, it can be here. One person between C and F, it can be here. Between here, it can be there. Fine, everyone. Now, it is also telling you in the last line, B celebrates his birthday in the month of August but not immediately before or after G. B celebrates his birthday in the month of August. Now, B celebrates his birthday in the month of August is not possible in the first case and last case. So, it is gone. B celebrates his birthday in the month of August is not possible over here in the first case and in the last case. So now B celebrates his birthday in the month of August. It will be over here. B celebrates his birthday in the month of August. And now F is fine over here. F is fine over here. Alright everybody? Getting it? Yes or no? Yes or no? So B celebrates his birthday in the month of August, but not immediately before or after G. Fine, it's going on in the right direction. It's going on in the right direction. F, G, C, E, B. F, G, C, E, B. Now, my dear students, who is left out? Only and only H is left out. So this is the right diagram. This is the right diagram itself. Getting it? So see, a slight diversion, it will cost you. It has costed me also. Okay. Now, this was a good question. Okay. So if you solve it in exam or not, it's your choice. But yes, it will take at least 3 to 3.5 or even 4 minutes. A, H, D, F, G, C. A, H, D, F, G, C, E, B. Alright everybody. A, F, A, H, D, F, G, C, E, B. Alright everyone. Yes. Now, in which of the following months does F's birthday occur? F's birthday occurs on which date? 16th of June. So it is basically June. Okay. And that's the right answer. F's birthday. F's birthday. In which of the following months does F's birthday occur? F's birthday occurs in June. It's option number B, June. Okay. Next. Who among the following is elder to D? Elder to D means born prior than D. Elder to D means born prior than D. A and H. A and H. So do not mark this or this alone. The answer will be option number E, more than one of the above. Now, how many birthdays are there in between H and D? How many birthdays are there between H and D? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4. Answer to the question is option number B, that is 4. Next. Who among the following is younger than G? Younger than G means born later than G. C, E, B. C, E, B. But in the option, C and B are given. So again we will mark more than one of the above. So be very much careful when you go through such options. Now, which is or who is the second youngest in the given friends? So youngest is this. So second youngest will obviously be this. Okay, so right answer to the question is option number A, that is E. Yes or no? Yes or no, my dear students? Getting it or not? Getting it or not? And now, have a look at this. Have a look at this. Now what we are going to do? Now we are going to do IBPS Clerk 2021 paper. IBPS Clerk 2021 paper, the memory based. Alright. Quickly everybody, keep on just liking the session. Keep on sharing the session. Here we go. Time starts. Quickly everyone. One minute is sufficient. Now see, 7 people P, Q, R, S, T, B and W attempted a test starting from Monday to Sunday. 4 people take the test between R and S. 4 people take test between R and S. But who takes prior and who takes later is not known. P takes the test on Wednesday. P takes the test on Wednesday. Fine. No person takes the test between P and Q. It can be in these ways. Okay, next. There are 3 people who take the test between T and V. There are 3 people who take the test between T and V. T takes the test before V. T takes the test before V. Now see, if T I keep over here, 1, 2 and 3 V is not possible. So T, 1, 2 and 3 V is possible. T, 1, 2 and 3 V is possible. T, 1, 2 and 3 V is also possible. No? See, T, 1, 2 and 3 V possible. T, 1, 2 and 3 V is possible. Alright everyone. Next. Now W does not take the test on Sunday. W does not take the test on Sunday. It is clearly mentioned. At least two people take the test before S. At least two people take the test before S. Okay. Now if at least, see, this is what we have done. If at least two people take the test before S, S cannot be in these two regions. S cannot be in these two regions. Alright everybody, at least two people take the test before S. S cannot be in these two regions. Now, if S is over here, then 3 people between S and R is not possible. If S is over here, again 1, 2 and 3 people between S and R is not possible. If S is over here, 1, 2 and 3 people between S and R is not possible. So this is gone. Okay. Now S over here, 1, 2 and 3 R is not possible, but S over here, 1, 2 and 3 R is possible. S over here, 1, 2 and 3 R is not possible. S over here, 1, 2 and 3 R is possible. So now among them, what is right? Now my dear students, among them what is right? Quickly tell me my dear students. TR, PQ, VWS. Okay, fine everybody, let me read it out further. So now 7 people, PQ, RS, TV and W attempt the test from Monday to Sunday. 4 people take the test between R and S. Sorry, 4 people take the test, not 3. 4 people take the test. Sorry, 4 people take the test between R and S. Okay, 4 people take the test between R and S. See, 4 people take the test between R and S. So if you keep R over here, or if you keep S over here, nowhere 4 people between S and R. S over here, nowhere 4 people. S over here, 1, 2, 3 and 4 not possible. S over here, 1, 2, 3 and 4 no. S over here, 1, 2, 3 and 4 R is possible. S over here, 1, 2, 3 and 4 no. S over here, 1, 2, 3 and 4 no. So my dear students, this is the only way out where W will be over here now. And this is the final TRPQ VWS. TRPQ VWS. Getting it everybody? Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay, fine. Now TRPQ VWS, getting it? Now how many people attempt the test after P? After P, how many people attempt the test? 1, 2, 3 and 4, and that's the right answer. Option number D, that is 4. Okay, next, who attempts the test on Friday? The one who attempts the test on Friday is V, and that's the right answer. Option number E, that is V. Okay, next, which of the following statement is true? Q attempts the test on Thursday, true. Now one more option is given, all of the above are true. So we cannot mark this directly, we have to check other options also. P attempts the test before S, correct. Now we can mark this. 3 people attempt the test between W and R, 1, 2 and 3, yes. V attempts the test before S, yes. So obviously now we can mark option number E. Next one, option number E, all of the above. All of the above. Okay. R attempts the test on which of the following days? R attempts the test on Tuesday. So answer is option number B, Tuesday. Okay, once you have done, it's very easy. Now, okay, unsettled. Very common kind of question. Very common kind of question, the forward backward. Hurry up. See my dear students, have a look at this. From 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, no. From 21, 20, 19, yes. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, no. See, from 14, forward, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, no. From 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, no. From 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, no. From 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, no. From 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, no. 4, 3, 2, no. 20, no. This. So my dear students, how many pairs? 2 pairs. How many pairs? 2 pairs. Because between U and S alphabetically there is 1 letter. Between E and D alphabetically there is 0 letter. Okay. Fine everybody. Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay. Tell me. 21, 22, 23, 24, 19, 18, 17, 16. No. Okay. Only 2 pairs. Answer is option number B. Next. Here we go. Quickly solve this. Very, very simple. Very simple questions. All bikes are cars. Let us increase the speed. All the bikes are car. All bikes are car, some car are truck. All bikes are car, some car are truck. Multiple diagrams can be drawn. Some bikes are truck, may not be true, may be true, can't say. No truck is car, no truck is car. Is it possible? When it is already telling some car or truck, so no truck is car is false. So answer is none of them. None of them follows. None of them follows. Next one. Some toffee or eclairs. Some toffee or eclairs. All eclairs are dairy milk. Some dairy milk are chocobar. Okay. Now at least some eclairs are dairy milk. At least some eclairs are dairy milk. True. If all eclairs are dairy milk, some eclairs will be dairy milk. And no toffee is a chocobar, can't say. No toffee is a chocobar, can't say, because I can draw chocobar over here also. No? So right answer is option number, only one follows. Only one follows. Option number A. Next. Quickly everyone. Hurry up. Some box or table. Some box or table. No table is board. Now see, this is very careful. This is board and this is box. Some box or table, no table is board. Some board or wall. Some board or wall. Now some board or box. Can't say. No box is board. Can't say, but here both are can't say. Elements are same. Some no will form a complementary pair, and that's why the correct answer is option number D. Either or. Next. Hurry up. Solve this one also. Be really very quick. Some toffee or eclairs, my dear students. Some toffee or eclairs. All eclairs are dairy milk. Some dairy milk are chocobar. It can be over here. Now some chocobar being toffee is can't say, because I can draw chocobar over here also. So some chocobar being toffee is can't say plus possibility is true. No toffee is a dairy milk is definitely false. Answer is only one is true. Answer is only one is true, and that's the right one. Option number A. Next one. Please solve this. Please solve this. Okay. 2 minutes. 2 minutes, guys. Please solve this. Hurry up. Last minute. Hurry up. Quickly everyone. So 12 people are sitting in 2 parallel rows containing 6 people each, in such a way that there is equal distance between adjacent persons. In row 1A to F, seated all of them are facing south. In row 2 PQRSTV facing north, and therefore every person will be facing another person. Okay, so the first para is all about the basic structure of the question, which has already been drawn. Now here V sits third to the right of S. Now S is over here, 1, 2 and 3, V can be over here. S is over here, 1, 2 and 3, V can be over here. S is over here, 1, 2 and 3, V can be over here. So V sits third to the right of S. S faces F. S faces F. Okay, so S faces F, done. Now my dear students, it is clearly telling F does not sit at any of the extreme ends of the line. If F does not sit at any of the extreme ends of the line, this case is eliminated. Next thing. So V sits third to the right of S, S faces F, F does not sit at any of the extreme ends of the line, D sits third to the right of C, D sits third to the right of C. So C over here, 1, 2 and third right, no. See, D sits 1, 2 and third to the right of C, and R faces C, R faces C, fine. Now see my dear students, multiple ways. C and R and C is 1, 2 and third right D. C and R, C is 1, 2 and third right D. C and R not possible. C and R, C is 1, 2 and third right D. C and R, C is 1, 2 and third right D. Multiple cases are there. Okay. Now see, my dear students, let me draw one thing. Take one replica of this. F, S, V. C faces R and C is 1, 2 and third right is D. C faces R, C is 1, 2 and third right is D. Okay. Now let me draw one more case of this. Let me draw one more case of this, a replica of this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So one never really knows how many cases will be involved. Okay, how many cases will be involved. So just draw all the cases which are possible. F, S and V. So now my dear students, have a look at this. C faces R and C is 1, 2 and third right is D. C faces R, C is 1, 2 and third right is D. So now total 4 cases are there. Total 4 cases are there. Let us read further. Let us see from the beginning. V sits third to the right of S everywhere it is happening. S faces F and F does not sit at the extreme end. Fine. D sits third to the right of C. D sits third to the right of C and R faces C. Okay. Fine. Next, my dear students, very important. The one who is facing E is third to the right of P. The one who is facing E is third to the right of P. The one who is facing E, okay, is third to the right of P. No, the one who is facing E is third to the right of P. The one who is facing E, no. The one who is facing E is third to the right of P. The one who is facing E is third to the right of P, no. The one who is facing E is third to the right of P. The one who is facing E, no. The one who is facing E is third to the right of P. Okay, fine, fine. B and P do not sit at the extreme ends of the line. B and P do not sit at the extreme ends of the line. So now B and P do not sit at the extreme ends of the line. Fine. B and P, so B is somewhere over here. B and P do not sit at the extreme ends of the line, so B is over here. Now who is left out? A is left out over here. Okay. Now see my dear students, the next thing. T is not an immediate neighbor of V. T is not an immediate neighbor of V. Fine. Now if T is not a neighbor of V, T is not a neighbor of V, PQRSTV, PQ is left out. PQ is left out. Very important. T is not a neighbor of V and A is not an immediate neighbor of C. Now A is not an immediate neighbor of C, so this is going to be right. This is going to be right because in that case, in any of the way, A will be a neighbor of C. Okay. R does not sit at the extreme end. Fine. So this is the right one. DBFCEA, TPS RQV, TPS RQV. This is the right one. This is wrong because in any case, A is going to be a neighbor of C. Fine, everybody. Getting it? So DBFCEA, TPS RQV. Okay. DBFCEA, TPS RQV. Fine. Now, who amongst the following faces P? The one who faces P is B. The one who faces P is B. None of these because it's not available. Next, who among the following represents the person seated at the extreme ends? So extreme ends, DTAV, DTAV. So from DTA and V, once T and A are given over here and D and V are given over here. So more than one of the above. More than one of the above. Okay. Now, odd one out. Let me see. B and T. B and T. Okay. A and Q. Fine. C and S. Fine. F and P. Fine. But D and R, no. D and R, no, it's slightly different. It's not in that sense. Next, odd one out. DAVTS. D corner, A corner, V corner, T corner, but S is not at the corner, hence will be the odd one out. So once you have solved your task, it's super easy, isn't it? How many persons are seated between P and Q? The number of persons seated between P and Q are 2, and that's the correct answer. Option number B, that is 2. Next one, solve this. Hurry up. Quickly, everyone. Quickly everybody, hurry up. Okay, now see my dear students. 8 friends, the names are given. They're sitting around a square table in such a way that 4 sit at the corners, 4 sit at middle of the sides. The ones who sit at the 4 corners face the center. The ones who sit in middle of the sides face outside. P who faces the center sits third to the right of V. See, P who faces the center sits third to the right of V. Okay, P who faces the center sits third to the right of V. 1, 2 and 3. Next, T who faces the center is not a neighbor of V. T who faces the center is not a neighbor of V. Fine. Only one person sits between V and W, can be in this manner, can be in this manner. Okay. S sits second to the right of Q. Q faces the center. Q faces the center. S sits second to the right. Q faces the center. S sits second to the right. Next, R is not a neighbor of P. In this case, over here or here, R is going to be a neighbor of P. In this case, it's fine. So P, Q, R, S, T, U and V. T, Y, V and W. Okay. Y is over here. So are you getting this or not? Are you all getting this or not? S, Y, Q, W, P. S, Y, Q, W, P. Okay. S, Y, Q, W, P. Y, T, R. Okay. Y, T, R. Okay. Y, T, R. It's absolutely fine. Who sits second to the left of T? T is facing inward. Second to the left of T is S. So right answer is option B, S. What is the position of P with respect to W? With respect to W, it's immediate right. Option number D. Immediately you can solve. Odd one out. See, R, P, T, S, Q. P, T, S, Q at the corner. R is not at the corner. Option number A, that is R. Which of the following comes in the place of question mark? See, in the place of question mark, my dear students, W and P. Just after clockwise from W is P, clockwise from T is R, clockwise from Q is W, clockwise from R is S. But now see, between P and T, how many persons are there? Between P and T, only one person is there in clockwise. Okay, between R and Q, there are 2 persons in clockwise. Between W and R, 1, 2 and 3 persons are there in clockwise. Between S and now 4 persons will be there clockwise. So between S 1, 2, 3 and 4, YT will be there. YT will be there. Answer is option number A, YT. Okay, getting it everyone? So this is how you have to see very quickly. I will repeat again this question. See, W to P clockwise. Okay, immediate. T to R clockwise, immediate. Q to W clockwise, immediate. R to S clockwise, immediate. But now check the number of elements or number of people between them in clockwise. Between P and T clockwise, only one element. Between R and Q clockwise, only 2 element. Between W and R clockwise, between W and R 1, 2 and 3 clockwise, only 3 element. Between S and next 1, 2, 3 and 4, it's Y, and just after Y clockwise will be T, and that's the right answer. Quickly everyone. Next, which of the following is true regarding Q? Q is an immediate neighbor of V. Yes. Q faces the center. Yes. Which of the following is true regarding Q? Q is an immediate neighbor of V. Yes, Q is an immediate neighbor of V. Q faces the center is correct. Q sits exactly between T and S. Wrong. Wrong. Q sits exactly between T and S is wrong. Q sits third to the left of R is wrong. Third to the right. So none of these, my dear students, none of these should be the answer. Because my dear students, the correct answer is both A and B. Q is an immediate neighbor of V. Q is an immediate neighbor of V is also correct, and Q faces the center is also correct. So answer is none of these. Option number B. Option number E. Next one. Solve this one. 20 to 22. 1 minute. 20 to 22. 1 minute. Quickly everybody. Hurry up. E is 10 kilometer to the west of I. Okay. E is 10 kilometer to the west of I. All right. Suppose this is I. So E is 10 kilometer to the west of I. E is 10 kilometer to the west of I. Done. Now interconnecting point E and I. Interconnecting point E and I. See, H is 5 kilometer to the north of E. H is 5 kilometer to the north of E. Okay. H is 5 kilometer to the north of E. Next. Now interconnecting point H, E and I. H, E and I. Okay. Quickly everyone, H, E and I. See, F is 10 kilometer to the west of H. F is 10 kilometer to the west of H. Okay. F is 10 kilometer to the west of H. F, H, E, I. Okay. F, H, E, I. See, G is 5 kilometer to the west of F. G is 5 kilometer to the west of F. Okay. Next, interconnecting point, nothing else is to be done. Interconnecting point. So now, what else can be done? Which point? Yes, my dear students, which point? See, E is 10 kilometer to the west of I. Done. C is 5 kilometer to the south of E. C is 5 kilometer to the south of E. Yes, why not? C is 5 kilometer to the south of E. After that, A is 15 kilometer to the east of C. A is 15 kilometer to the east of C. So 10 plus 5. This is A, 15 kilometer to the east of C. Then F is 10 kilometer west of H. Fine. B is 5 kilometer to the west of A. B is 5 kilometer to the west of A. H is 5 kilometer to the north of E. D is 15 kilometer west of C. D is 15 kilometer west of C. D is 15 kilometer west of C. Okay. Next, G is 5 kilometer. G is 5 kilometer west of F. Fine. Is this the diagram that we are getting or not? Is this the diagram that we are getting or not? Yes or no? Okay. Now, which of the following are not in a straight line? See, H, E and C very much in a straight line. C, B and A very much in a straight line. I, F and C not in a straight line. G, F, H in a straight line. D, C, B in a straight line. But I, F and C are not in a straight line. Alright everybody. Fine. I hope it is very clear. Next, what is the direction of F with respect to B? Direction of F with respect to B. With respect to B, it is northwest. It is northwest. Alright everyone. Next. B is in which direction with respect to C? B is in which direction with respect to C and at what distance? What distance? 10 east. 10 east. Answer is option number C. 10 east. 10 kilometer east. Next. Please solve this. Please solve this, my dear students. Hurry up. Quickly everyone. Hurry up. Okay, now see my dear students. Okay, now what is being said? 6 persons have different heights. So if 6 persons have different heights, so what I'm going to do is the tallest person is going to be at the top and the shortest person is going to be at the bottom. The tallest person at the top and shortest person is at the bottom. Now see, my dear students, n is taller than p. Now see, the simple point is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. Have a look at this. So 6 persons MNO PQR have different height. N is taller than P. N is taller than P. M is taller than R but shorter than P. M is taller than R but shorter than P. Okay. N is taller than P. M is taller than R but shorter than P. At least one person is shorter than R. At least one person is shorter than R. That means R cannot be here. Okay. The number of persons taller to Q is same as shorter to O. The number of persons taller to Q is same as shorter to O. Okay. Q is taller to M. Q is taller to M. Okay. Now Q is taller to M. Now just tell me, my dear students, R cannot be here. R will be over here. So if R will be over here, so where can you place Q? Q over here, then over here, yes. Or Q over here, yes. Or anything else? Anything else? Because below Q is M also. So NPM. NPM. Are you getting this? QNPMRO. QNPMRO. Yes. Now if you follow this, below Q is M. Below Q is M. Where will be NNP? No, it's not possible. It's not possible. QNPMRO. QNPMRO is the right one. Fine. How many persons are taller than P? How many persons are taller than P? 2 persons. Answer is option number C, that is 2. Who among the following is second shortest in the group? Shortest is this, second shortest is R. Answer is option number B, that is R. Who among the following is taller than P? Taller than P is N and Q, among which Q is given, N is given. So both A and D, option number E is the right one. Option number E is the right one. Okay, option number E is the right one. Taller than P is both N and Q. Both N and Q. Option number E, both A and D. Next, solve this one. Solve this one, everybody. Fine. Hurry up. 3 minutes. Quickly, everyone. Quickly. Next 1 minute. Come on, everybody, hurry up. The last minute. Hurry up. Okay, now listen to me. Now listen to me, guys. 7 friends are visiting 7 different cities. The name of the cities are given. Now, the one who visits Jhansi is immediately above the one who visits Lucknow. The one who visits Jhansi, okay, is immediately above the one who visits Lucknow. Okay. Let me draw one more case. Let me draw one more case that the one who visits Jhansi is just before the one who visits Lucknow. Next, the one who visits Jhansi is immediately above the one who visits Lucknow. After that, there are only 2 persons between the one who visits Amritsar and Jhansi. Only 2 persons between Amritsar and Jhansi. It can be in this manner, that Amritsar is over here, or Jhansi, one is this, and now Amritsar. Okay. So my dear students, there are only 2 persons between the one who visits. Read from the beginning. The one who visits Jhansi is immediately above Lucknow. Fine. There are only 2 persons between the one who visits Amritsar and Jhansi. Only 2 persons between Amritsar and Jhansi. Fine. Now, the one who visits Ooty is before Amritsar, but not immediately before. Okay, Ooty is before Amritsar. Ooty is before Amritsar, but not immediately before. And total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So Ooty will be over here because total 7 only places are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ooty is before Amritsar. Ooty is before Amritsar, but not immediately before. So at least Ooty cannot be over here. Next. Only 3 persons are between the one who visits Shimla and Ooty. Only 3 persons between Shimla and Ooty. Ooty over here, 1, 2 and 3. Shimla. Okay. Now my dear students, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now the simple point is that only 3 persons are between the one who visits Shimla and Ooty. Ooty over here, 1, 2 and 3. Shimla is fine. If I keep Ooty over here, 1, 2 and 3. Shimla is not possible. If I keep Ooty over here, 1, 2 and 3 and Shimla, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it will be exceeding. If I keep Ooty over here, 1, 2 and 3, Shimla is possible. Okay. If I keep Ooty over here, 1, 2 and 3, Shimla is not possible. So Ooty over here, 1, 2 and 3, Shimla is possible. Okay. But now let me further check. I am not telling it is confirmed. Wait. Now, the one who visits Bhubaneswar is immediately above the one who visits Shimla. Okay. So, immediately above Shimla is Bhubaneswar? No. The one who visits Bhubaneswar. Okay. The one who visits Bhubaneswar is immediately above the one who visits Shimla. Only one person is there between the one who visits Delhi and Bhubaneswar. Only one person is between the one who visits Delhi and Bhubaneswar. So, this is the point. Are you getting this? Ooty, Delhi, Amritsar. Ooty, Delhi, Amritsar. Bhubaneswar, Shimla, Jhansi and Lucknow. Getting it or not? Ooty, Delhi, Amritsar, Bhubaneswar, Shimla, Jhansi, Lucknow. Absolutely fine. How many people visited between the one who visits Delhi and Bhubaneswar? Between Delhi and Bhubaneswar, only one. Option number A. Which of the following cities visited immediately before Amritsar? City visited immediately before Amritsar is Delhi. Okay, it's option number C, that is Delhi. Which of the following cities are there between Jhansi and Amritsar? Between Jhansi and Amritsar, there are two places, Shimla and Bhubaneswar. Option number A. Which of the following condition is correct regarding Amritsar with respect to Bhubaneswar? Amritsar with respect to Bhubaneswar is just above. There is no city between Bhubaneswar and Amritsar, right? Bhubaneswar is immediately above Amritsar. No. Bhubaneswar is immediately below. Then the one who visits Amritsar is the person immediately above Bhubaneswar. Yes. So therefore the right answer is none of these, because 2 options A and D are correct. Option E, none of these, because 2 options A and D are correct. Which of the following cities is exactly between Delhi and Jhansi? Exactly between Delhi and Jhansi is not Amritsar, not Shimla, it's Bhubaneswar. It is not available, so again none of these. Getting it? Now a question from series. 5 questions. In clerical, such kind of questions are very much prominent. In the clerical examination, such kind of questions are very much prominent. Okay. So now solve this. Solve this, everybody. Quickly, everyone. If all the letters in the words are arranged in reverse alphabetical order, okay? So this becomes T and K. This becomes EBA. This becomes UND. This becomes NIC. This becomes PLG. Okay? Now, my dear students, the next thing. If the letters in the words are arranged in reverse alphabetical order, and then all the words are arranged in alphabetical order from left to right. All the words are arranged in alphabetical order from left to right. So first EBA will be coming. Then after that NIC will be coming. Then PLG will be coming. Okay. Then T and K will be coming. Then UND will be coming. Okay. So if all the letters in the words are written in reverse alphabetical order, and now the words formed are arranged in alphabetical order from left to right, which of the following word is second from the right and thus formed? Second from the right and thus formed is T and K. T and K. Answer is option number C, T and K. Getting it, everybody? Next. Quickly solve this. Quickly solve this, my dear students. In each word, every consonant is changed to the previous letter. In each word, every consonant is changed to the previous letter. Okay? MN, then JK, ST. Okay? Now, A, then here C, here M, here B, here M, here what we will be getting? F, K, O. Then here vowels are as it is. Vowels are as it is. So the question is telling you, if in each word every consonant is changed to the previous letter in English alphabetical series, then how many words will have at least one vowel? At least one vowel over here, at least one vowel over here, at least one vowel is over here, at least one vowel over here. So the right answer to the question is option number D, that is 4. Option number D, that is 4. Except this, in every word there are some or the other existing vowels, or prior to the letter when we did, we got a vowel. Okay. Next. Hurry up. Hurry up, everyone. If in each of the word, if we interchange the first letter with the third letter, first letter with the third letter, so it will become T, K, N. It will become E, here be A, here U, D, N, here N, I, C, here P, G, L. So PLG, NCI, UND, AEB, TKN. So if each of the word in that, if we interchange the first letter with the third letter and then first letter with the second letter, so it will become KTN, it will become AEB, it will become NUD, it will become CNI, it will become LPNG. Okay, fine. Third word according to English dictionary. Third word according to dictionary. So first A, then C, then LPG. LPG. See, first word according to English dictionary. Second word according to dictionary. Third word according to dictionary. No. IGKL. This is the third word. K1. K1. Okay, everybody. K is the third word according to English dictionary. Okay. So their original word is NKT. The original word is NKT. The original word is NKT. Answer is option number A, NKT. In dictionary order, first A will be coming, then C, then K, then L, then N. So third word is KTN. K, starting with K. Okay. Next. Hurry up. A better one. Quickly everyone. If we interchange the second and the third, okay, so this becomes NTK, this becomes BAE, this becomes DUN, this becomes INC, this becomes GPL. So if we interchange the second letter with the third letter and then the first letter with the third letter, it will become KTN, it will become EAB, it will become NUD, it will become CNI, it will become LPG. Okay, so now focus on this one. Okay, so now here it is. See, this is G, guys. Okay, this is G. Okay, now it is telling you if it interchange the second and third letter and then the first letter and the third letter value, if we add all the place values of the first letter. Okay, now see here, K's place value is 11, E5 and 14, E5 and 14, C3L12, C3L12, add them. What we are going to get? Tell me. 11 plus 5, 16, plus 4, 30, 33, and then 45. 45. Answer is option number D, 45. And now the last question. Quickly everyone, hurry up. Quickly everyone, hurry up. Now this is a better question, so that is why I have to wait for 1 complete minute. See, if we add all the letters place value in each of the words, okay, so here 14, 11 and 20, 14, 11 and 20, just add them. 4 plus 1, 5, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 4, 45. Okay, 1, 11, 45 here. 2, 5 and 1, 2, 5 and 1, 5, 6, 7 and now 8. 5, 6, 7 and now 8. Here 4, 14, 21, 4, 14, 21. So it is 21 plus 4, 25. See, basically it is 39. Basically it's 39. Here 9, 3, 14, 9, 3, 14. Okay, 9 plus 3, see this is 26. Okay. Here 7, 12, 16, 7, 12 and 16. Okay, 35. Now my dear students, which word number is completely divisible by 9? Completely divisible by 9 is this. Completely divisible by 9 is this. Alright everyone, completely divisible by 9 is this. Option number B. Option number B, isn't it? Complete. See, if we add all the letters place value in each of the words, if we add all the letters place value in each of the words, then which of the following word number is completely divisible by 9? So what I did, 14, 11 and 20. 14, 11 and 20, you will be getting 45. Here 2, 5 and 1, 8, it's not divisible by 9. Here 4, 14 and 21, okay, 39, not divisible by 9. Here 9, 3 and 14, 9, 3 and 14, 4 plus 3, 7 plus 9, 16, 26, not divisible by 9. Here 7, 12 and 16, okay, so 8 plus 7, 15 and 15, okay, 35, no, not completely divisible by 9. So right answer is option number B. And with these words, we come to an end of the session. My dear students, it was a long session, it was an extensive session, it was an informative session, it was a knowledgeable session and a practice session, whatever you can give the name for the upcoming IBPS RRB examination. The level of the questions was really good. I hope that you really enjoyed the level of the questions. In the next weekend, again we will bring some of such kind of questions of the same level. Also, we will be doing the analysis of the same. I hope you really enjoyed it. Please believe me guys, the only person in the world who is standing between you and your success is you. It is you. You are the ones who will decide your destiny. You are the one who is standing between you and your success. Those who have to attempt the IBPS RRB clerk exam, IBPS RRB office assistant or clerk exam in the coming weekend, please only and only attempt mocks. Only attempt mocks. That's it. And after attempting the mock, analyze them. Thank you everybody. Have a great day. God bless you and take care guys. Thank you.